All right, traders, we are back. We're coming in a few minutes earlier to see what's been happening in the month. Check out our stats so far. Um, let's see. Friday's been pretty rough for me this month. I didn't trade. Well, this was a holiday, Good Friday. Then $500 loss, not great. Then didn't trade last Friday. Had a long weekend. Um, then now it's today. Let's see what we can do to this today. Down $60 in a week. It's been a choppy week. Very slow stuff. Slow price action. Not a lot of well, yesterday I got caught in some stuff. As you can see, I got caught in a handful of trades. I only traded 4 times. About 1 minute to the open. Just wanted to show my calendar so far. Hopefully we get a nice green day and finish the week green. We look forward to next week and see if we can achieve our goal of over 2,000 this month. Excuse me, over 2,000 this month. So 30 seconds until the open. Don't forget to come to Discord. Excuse me. Come to Discord. Um, the link to Discord is in the description below. So yeah, with that being said, we're gonna get ready to trade. We got SCNI. We have a red cap right on SCNI, a 5-minute red cap. If we can break it, could be an interesting stock over to $1. ELPW, it's been the one that's been quite moving the most volume. SCNI, we got some news, and ELPW is running on old news, I think. It's just a continuation stock. Okay, here we go. A little slow lag. It's okay. So here we go. So this high, this is 80. I need to size down because it's my swing. It may swing. So when I catch the call move, I'll take 87, 89. 95. So I want to add here. I want to add. No chance to add. I'll just take it out. I wanted to add only 1,000 because they're risking a chance to this thing dipping to 83. Small size there. I need to size up. We'll see. It might trade better over 1. So 92 there. Can take a little more size. So when the stock market is hot, it is hot. Works are easier. It's a good thing. So here we go. Let's see if I can get a nice dip on this next candle. 92 is that high. $95. Excellent. Could have taken it out. 98 sellers. Staying put. Come on, 95 hold. Minute 96 basically. Don't want to just take it out unless it goes to 95, 94. I'll take it out. Yeah, I'm gonna get it out. Just a little dip here. 92 again. So 92 was better. Ah, okay, cool. It's okay. Very volatile. So we'll wait. So I held that to a break-even spot because um, you never know. It could really drop below 90, these penny stocks. So we hit 105, our target. Let me see if I can get a nice, see if we can get a nice dip here. Well, this got canceled. So let me see if we can get a nice dip right here. 87, 78, 87 to 80. I'll size up on that. Could be I don't know if I would want to see that dip. It'll have to come and go very, very quickly. So over 105, 110 is the hold up. Let's see, we'll stay put here. Hopefully gives more opportunities. '92 algo seem to be picking it up, right? 92 picked it up right here. So in the low 90s, low 90s seems to be a good spot for a dip, but we'll see. Mid 90s so far it's holding. It's SSR. Okay, I see, I see, I see. Now I'm looking at this. It's SSR. Okay, great. So over 103, I'm gonna take this thing over 103. Once it's gonna start to go, it's gonna start to go. So I have to be ready. To be ready over 103. Okay, new 5 minute here. It's 5 minute. It could dip down to. You could dip down to 87. Excuse me, 10-cent swing. Not bad, 10-cent swing. And I would need that to come right back up. So here we go, over one. It might even be a little sooner, like right over one. If it wants to pull one. IDR. I like this one. It's got good volume. Waiting for that dip. Here we got 50-50. 50-50. Either up or down. But if it goes down, I want to buy into that weakness. Because I think it's SSR, so the dips will work. Will work kind of nice. So here the previous one is over 99. So if I see $1, I might take it. Tight stop. Hold down is 83. Ooh, hold down. Wow. That's insane. False hold. If it false holds, I would probably would like to take that. Dang, that sucks. Opening at 55. That's insane. What? Okay, well, here we go. ELPW. Honestly, how much volume is that? That's good volume. How in the world, brother? Come on, man. I haven't seen one of these moves in a long time. Really? Don't know. Let's see. We got a target on this, like 580. So here we go. Can we get a dip? Dip to 4? Dip to $4. I'll size down a little more. Just because it's already too high and I want to see a massive dip. There it is. $4. Good. The hold's 4. I could be in a good position. The low last 397. So let's see if we can hold this level. Establish this new low as $4. Got a good fill there. No. Sadly, keeps going lower. 395. Okay, next handle. 395, 380. I will size up here. Give me a dip. Give a dip here. Under 95 and 81. Fine, I'll take it here. What it was holding? No. Oh, dip. Ah, I think I just need to stick to the to my stop. I just need to stick to my stop being 81 and just be okay with eating that loss because I don't want to be getting in and out and then not catching the move. So the thing is, I'm banking on the fact that it's going to come lower and I'm going to catch it lower. But if it doesn't come lower, then I just missed the move. Here we go, a little lower. Yeah, you see, I'm just losing. I'm losing the move. Just see if it. Well, let's see. Let's see if we can get a nice little dip under 90. Here we go, under 90. Stop is 81. Under 90. That would be sweet, right under 90. '81 with an 81 stop. Let's see it. Here we go. No fear, no hesitation, right under 90. No, didn't get it. That's the thing, you know. I gotta just commit to that. Commit to my entry. Gotta commit to my entry. Over 4. It's choppy. Look at that. I want to see a little dip. Let's see. Oh, it's choppy. The ELPW, it's not the cleanest thing. Okay, now we're going. Didn't I trade this earlier this week and thought this thing was just absolute garbage price action? I feel like I did. I feel like I did trade the last earlier this week. I don't know about this. Over 15. Let's see it. Fine, let's do it. Over 15. I mean, at 16. Nice, that's a good fill. Need to go now? I don't think it's gonna go. So those don't really work. So I'm looking for that push to be quick, but it's not. So we're gonna look for dips then. Hmm. 90 held very strong. Let's see what 90 is gonna do now this time. '81's a stop. Let's see 95 again. Ah, okay, fine, 91. Let's see it. All right, this time I think I might stick to my stop, which is 81. Yeah, I got it cooked there. Okay, dang it. So getting cooked there, try to get a dip under 90, didn't get it. It came lower. See if I can get a dip right here. 64 being the stop. Just a little lower. Another gap down there. Attempted at 64. It's just horrible price action. Just getting just getting caught left and right. Let's see, this is still a 5-minute gap. Oh, is this better? Let's do it on this. Volume, good volume here. I'll take it. Oi, 60, don't break 60. Yeah, you're gonna break 60. Uh, oh, it broke 60, stop me out. 60 again. Fine. 61.5. Only 2K here, 63. Maybe we get a bounce here now. 4. Big seller, 63. 61.5, 62, 63. I think it wants to do it. Break 63. There's a seller there, but my break. Don't want to do it. 61 again. 60. Stop at 60. Stop at 60. Nice, 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 nice. 63. There you go. 64. I want to put an order out. Here we go. Put an order out there. Please get it out. There we go. Bang. Out. Okay. Ooh, 66. Magic. Put an order out 64. What did I get filled? 64 and a half. Good. So very choppy, but we got some of it back. Yeah. Tricky penny stock, right? Up and down a few cents. ELPW ate a massive loss. Dang, back here again. See if we can get some size in here. See if we can get some size in here. 61, 60. 61. It looks like a good flush. Honestly, it looks like a good flush. It's SSR, so we might be good here. I'm getting, ooh, we getting 61.8. Don't like that. Don't like that. Getting out there. Wish it was in 60. Closer to 60, I would feel a little safer. Closer to 60. It's been holding well. I might get caught here if it doesn't work. Needs to get back, yeah. So what is this low here? 56, 54, 56 to 54. Ah, that might be pushing it, buying on the dip. ELPW, I'm still looking for a dip on this. Below that is, well, I'm looking for it's 72.64, somewhere in there. Target in this, did we reach this target? 74. We may curl here. Oh, we can still do a gap reclaim. Oh my goodness. We can still do a gap reclaim on this. Been pretty good. Let me see. There you go. In at 60. Okay. I'm good here. 60. Nice green here would be nice. Nice green here would be nice. Yes, 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 yes. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Scaling out here because it doesn't want to do it. There we go. Watch this. Come on. 2K in here. Come on. Oh my goodness. No, thank you. Ah, bro, I'm just looking for that thing to just bang, keep going. That was a gap reclaim setup. 5K size, looking for this thing to just 62, 63, 64. Just like start scaling out. Scaled out because it didn't happen right away. Oh, dip right here. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do it. What's it gonna be? I don't know. We got the dip. Hmm, we got the dip, but I didn't get it at the lows where I wanted 60s. All right, here, this thing again. Does not want to give up, huh? Okay, over 63 is the buy. I could buy the 60 again. We try 60 again. That gap seems to, oh, here we go, 60 again. 59, 60. Let's do it. Let's freaking do it. I see green here. 61. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Oh, no. Oh, again, 60. That's the thing about this. It could do it. It could do it. It has it in it. Right at VWAP. I love that gap. Let me see if I can get another one. It's SSR as well, so we could do it. This thing can explode, man. We're 62. A little less size here. There it is, 63, 64. I need to see a dip here. Dip, 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 dip. Yeah, that's good enough for me. Please hold. Nice. Come on. Explode. Explode. Doesn't want to explode out right there. Doesn't want to explode. Okay, maybe I gotta keep holding this. Gotta keep holding this. No, it's hard to hold. Do you see? 65, 63, 64. Yeah, especially if you're holding big size. This thing can break you. It can definitely break you. I'll take a dip down here, 55. You can see that dip 55. 55, 50, stop is 54. Now we'll take that dip. Come on, dip. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I don't know. You can still do a gap reclaim over 60, but no, we tried that already, doesn't work. Ooh, 50, fine, 54. I'm in at 55. Don't go to 53. Don't go to 53. Don't go to 53. 55. Bounce, bro. Bounce. Such a great guy. Bounce, bro. 55. I don't think it's gonna do it, is it? Bounce, bounce, bro. Bounce, bounce. Please give me a bounce. Come on. Yeah. We tried. We tried that dip too. So we're pushing it on the dips. We're pushing it everywhere, bro. But no, it's just a tough market here. Flat on the day. Hmm. ENVB. The 8 stop. Dip under 60. It's a little down here. Under 60. No. Uh, what's the volume? Pretty low volume. Bro, I don't know about this, man. I haven't been watching it. I don't know what's it gonna do. The NVB. Almost bought in the 30s. Could have been a good buy. Oh man, shoot, almost bought it in the 30s. Could have been a good buy there. That was a fumble. It looked good. The gap and go looked great. Would have been short-lived, like out in the 70s. SCNI, unbelievable the way that thing's moving. 78, 85. Yeah, this thing can go to $1 again. That's crazy, bro. Dip under 90. Did not dip under 90. Is it gonna dip now? No dip. No dip. Let's do it. No dip now. 87. There's 1K. 88. In at 88. 90. 91. Just go to $1. Below that is 87. I'm in at 88. 81. I want to add, but it gives me no like confidence to add. Unless we're moving strong. Next candle coming up here. Next candle open a little low. But let's see. 91 having a lot of trouble. I'm gonna get out here at 90. I could keep going, but I only have 1K and not a big deal. Get a nice little dip, 84. Quick dip under 87 to 84. Nice little gap there. Big 2K. $87 to 84, 88 sellers, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83. No, that's a tough gap. That's a really tough gap. Okay, back to 85. Back to 85. Man, those dips are crazy. Hmm. Yeah, that dip it's nice. Dip again, 85. Dang, that gap reclaim was great. Oh no, I guess spoke too soon. But it was great, I guess. It did not test 85 to give me the confirmation that 85 was strong. It just freaking kept going. 87. want to take some size, but I don't feel confident to take some size in this. All right, before this minute's over, if it goes to 89, if it closes above 89, might be a good one. It's closing down there. We'll see. I'll keep it on watch. $86 could be good. I'll take it 86. 87.64. 87.64. That's a joke, bro. That's a freaking joke. That's a freaking joke. That's gotta be a joke. That's gotta be a joke. Bro, lost $20 on that joke. That's gotta be a joke, bro. What? All right, let's get green here. Ah, come on. Holding this just a little bit here, just because this thing is a joke. And then we may get, SSR piece of crap. SSR piece of crap. I'm getting cooked on this one trade. 84. 84, 84, 84, 84, 84. Yeah, this thing sucks. All right, I'm losing my money on this. These things that suck. Trying to do a gap reclaim there, and then I'm like, not even close to like. $84, it's got sellers. There are buyers here. Yeah, I shouldn't be holding this, honestly. Shouldn't be holding that. And it wants to freaking go there. That's a freaking annoying stuff, bro. All right. I just threw away. That was a silly, oh my gosh. In what world, man, do I like sell and this thing goes to 88? Like, what? Like, like what the heck, bro? Like, what? All right, looks like we gotta keep an eye on this. What world, brother? In what world? Gap and go here. It could move quickly. That's the thing about this. There's a huge red right there. Yes, let's do it. Let's do it. Only 1K here. Push, brother, push, 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 brother, push, push, push. I want to see this push. It's unfilled 85. It's time. It's time. It's time. It's time we hit $1 here. This will be the trade of the day, and we're gonna be done with today. We get to $1 here. I'll be done with today. Come on. This thing, bro. I'm gonna be aware of a massive flush. I want to get caught in a massive flush. Good. Now push, push, push. There it is. Push. It's gonna happen the same thing. I get out and it's gonna go. So that's the thing about this. Unless you break 85, I'm not getting out. So I'm gonna sit here, relax. Unless you break 85, I'm not getting out. There you go, 88. Come on. 90, there you go. Push it, push it. I would be looking for a trade right here if it holds 88. 81. I would be looking for a dip here if it holds 88. $20 looking for a dip. And let's see if it wants to hold that level. Looking to add. So maybe looking to add a 90. 93. Haven't taken anything yet. Looking to add around 90 or right under 90. Final add right there. Where did you fill me? 90.07. Good. Good. So 87 is my stop, I guess. 87 is my stop. Stop is break even. Looking for this bad boy to make it through those levels. Come on. Give me 95 at least. Just gotta give it some time, right? I'll give it some time. Buyers are stepping in here. Come on, buyers, step in. Don't stop me out. Here we go. Push, 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 bro. 82. It's having trouble. Having a little trouble there. Volume's coming down. I need the volume, brother. Yeah, I might need to get out here flat. 87. Don't do this. 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 Yeah, this might not actually work. Let's see. Try to stop me out there. It didn't get stopped out. Let's see. It's gonna start playing games here. 5 seconds. Green, 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 green. I need to see green here. Bro, give me green. There you go. Green. 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 Holding still. Holding still. Don't break 87. Some green would be nice. Wow. Stupid stop, bro. Trying to catch that push all the way through. $1, but no. I guess not gonna happen. 3 red candles in a row. Are you joking, bro? Here we go. Over 7, this thing could do some damage. Slicing down, here we go. 78. There might be a dip here. I'll take that. 7. In at 7. In at 7 there. The low that is 92. Let's go, bro. Not sure if I want to take any more here. Was exit 18, not bad. First exit 18, holding here. See if I can add on this. It wants to push through this level. 16, nice. 27, nice. For 40, there you go, out right there. Ah, that's so much more rewarding than this last crap. All right, here we go. See if we can take a little more size here. We got a nice big trade there. Man, market's been pretty tough, bro. Imagine if I would, dude. A couple years ago, me as a trader, I would have struggled so hard in this market. Would have been max loss, giving back an entire month. Here we go. I could take this dip here. I could take this dip here under 80. 78. All right, looks like we got some volume coming through here. Some momentum coming in. 54. I don't know, man. I don't know. Honestly, this market could just do tiny stuff here. This ain't it. I don't think this is the market, but could be worth a shot. No, this is 400, whatever. 54 is a stop. There it is. Wow. So it's a tricky one here. So here it is. Dip in the 50s, and then we're gonna make our move to 8. Ah, that's like so tricky, bro. I want to buy it, but I don't. It's jumpy. Low of it is 61 apparently. Big seller at 60. Yep, you see, could have bought that and then just get caught. That's tricky. That's tricky for sure. All right, let's see if we're actually gonna finally get this move. So far, trying out small size because this thing can whip you around. And until I get a nice confident move here, 87, 88. Don't like the way that candle is going to close here if it closes red. We got volume picking up. Got the volume picking up. $88 to 87. See if I can get 87 here. 88. 88. Top of the gap. What do we think? Did we miss it already? Top of the gap. Yep. $88 holding strong. Otherwise, there's another dip down here, 85. So 86, 85. No, sorry, 85 or 87 there. First 1 minute candle over 90. Take it here, 80, 87.6. I thought it would. Here we go, 85. Don't fail here. 85.6. Could actually be a great dip. Kind of unfortunate I lost on the first buy. I thought it would hold. It's like I lost 20. Lost 20 there. I could make it back here. Nice. 88. Let's go. $89. Bro, if this thing goes all the way through, gonna take it out there. So made it back. I'm not sure if it's gonna do it on that same candle. Maybe I got out too soon. The way this thing is moving, I didn't really trust it, and we'll see. Let's see. 5 minute does not look great. The previous 5 does not look great. It's SSR, so this thing is gonna be, man, this thing's gonna, I just have a feeling this thing is just gonna, it tried to crash down, it hasn't. Full reclaim. Now we got this move here, so we could get a massive drop all the way down here again. This gap's still valid. We got some mini gaps down here, but I don't really count those. I counted this one because this one's stronger right at VWAP. So that gap is stronger right at VWAP. It bounced once right at VWAP, so that it's good again. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So another drop here to 78, 79 could be good. You know, it's SSR, so people are gonna be covering on this and buying, and they could only hit it on the ask. On an uptick rather. And that's usually the ask. Alright, here we go. This is a time we're gonna make an effort here. We're gonna give it just 1K. You're gonna try here 84. Anytime now. I pressed that. Okay, thanks. 84.6. We like this. If it breaks 83, 87, 83.8, yeah, basically. We're gonna take it out. It's probably just 10 bucks. We're banking here that this is gonna do it. We got 11:30 on the clock. We got one last move here. It looks like we broke it. Maybe I got in there a little too soon. But if it wants to reclaim this, that's the great thing about taking smaller size, because then you can manage it a little better. You can, or rather not manage it, but give it a little extra room. So we're looking at the low of this of 82.50. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't make a new low. I thought it looked great there. Honestly, I thought it looked great. I really thought it looked great. I'm kind of holding, I'm not holding a great trade here. Yeah. All right. What was it? 20? Yeah, like almost $20. Whatever. I thought it would be good here. It keeps bouncing and bouncing and trying to curl. And I thought this would do it successfully. We'll try again later. There we go, you son of a gun. That's the move I was looking for. I can get a nice dip here. I need to get in here soon. Fine, I'll take 84. Go run, baby, run. Let's do it. 85.38. Oh my goodness, that's a terrible fail, but all right, just 1K, you know? Trying to get this thing going here. Trying to add to this. Trying to make this thing worth it. This thing has a squeeze in it, I think. I just think this has a squeeze in it. It's been trying and trying a long time. I just think we got a nice squeeze in here to $1. If we have a move here, that would be great. So I'm gonna stay put. Let's see what we'll get. Bro, okay. I'm getting smoked here. I'm giving it enough room there, but this might not be it. This might not be it. So getting out here. That might not be it. It needs to go right away. Maybe it'll try again later. Okay, well, looks like this one's holding up a little better. 85 again. I think we're just gonna keep trying it here. Because I think we might get this. It's a tricky spot. Tricky spot. If he maybe needs another 5 minutes. Here we go, 86. And I'm gonna miss it, huh? Been waiting for this move, and I need to find a spot to get in here. Let me see if I can get a dip here. Come on, bro. Fine. 89. 90. 90's got a lot of sellers. 90's got a lot of sellers, but once we break that, let's see if we break it. I'm in pretty high, so I need to see this. Needs this to hold 90. Bro. It's not working. I tried it pretty high again. I should have been patient, got an 87. This probably ain't it. Dip here, 86. Where the algos are sitting? Where are these algos sitting? Yeah. So had it pretty high there. Mm, Oh. $87. Nice. Okay, that was a good dip, 87. Oh, this could be a flush. What do we got here? 86. Fine. 87.5. 88. I'd like to see a green candle here. This has to be a green candle. Green, green, green. Nope. Ideally, that was green. All right. Get rid of all that. 5 minute is right here. So what's it gonna be? A dip? Two bottoming wicks there. Two bottoming wicks. 14 seconds. Sorry, 40 seconds here for the next 5 minute candle. This could be good. So might get back in here. Might get back in here, depending on how this likes to play out. 88, yeah. Right, looks like that worked. New 5 minute, we'll see. 15 seconds. Algos are Algos are picking it up here, 85, 86. Let's see. The volume is lighter. Disrespecting that. 85, 84. They Dang, so this thing, it's been really tough, but it has respected this gap here, 86. Didn't think it would do it, but here we go. 88. Okay, here we go. I'll take it 90. 90.03. Let's do it now. Made pretty high, 89. As long as you don't break 80. Ugh, I was just gonna say, as long as you don't break 89. Look at that. That's insane. I was about to say, I lost just 100 on that. I lost all the money I made on it. 77. Watch this. 78. $80. 77 was good, man. I should have taken that 77. Oh, man. That was a better dip. Wow. I think I already missed that. Oh, wow. Took the dip at 90 and it just kept going lower. Oh, 86. So I lost 40 on that. I just had a feeling there would be a big squeeze coming through, but I guess massive rejection. The low that was 77. All right, I think we're gonna call it here. Down $6 after fees and commissions, gonna be down $16. Yeah, we started off the day well with a good trade on SCNI. Very good trade. We jumped in on the hot momentum. I thought I jumped high. Turned out to be okay. We got a little dip here. We held through the dip and we kept going higher. 102 out at the whole level. I'm thinking, okay, we're looking good. We got a nice stock in our hands. Trying for a dip 95. Went all the way up to 102 again, I think. And then came back down out flat. Contemplated taking a dip here, didn't do it, and that also went all the way up to 105. So yeah, that kind of sucks, huh? That kind of sucks. So didn't pull the trigger in that dip 92, which would have been good. I mean, it didn't even break my stop. My stop was 92, so I could have kept holding with the stop at 92, but that's okay. Try to gap and go here. No, try to dip into a better move. No, I noticed it wasn't that strong. Next, we tried what did we try here? What did I even try? Did I try a dip? Did I get just a bad fill? I don't know. Okay, then I tried what did I even try here? I gotta go review the trades again. I knew I held this thing for too long. In some trades, I held it for too long, giving it a lot of room. Because I'm taking 1K, but no, okay, yeah, this was such a great trade. So I'm thinking, okay, got in this gap, holding, boom, went all the way up to 94, added right here on the dip. And after this, I should have known. Stock kind of sucked. Added on the dip. Got crushed. Out 85. Added 85 again. Out 88. Good. Made that back. Made that back. Nice. Added on the gap and go. Got destroyed here. 83. Well, not destroyed, I guess. Lost like a cent and a half. Yeah. $15. Only 1K, because I just didn't think. So I don't think this would do it. But I didn't think it would do it. I wasn't 100% sure. So that's why I take 1K. So was that a mistake? That's something I need to review. Like, if I feel full conviction, then just take the 3K, you know? Why half-ass it? I don't know if that's the way to do it. My idea is like, okay, get a starting position and then build on it like I did here. No, where is it here? Like build on it, boom, adding, and that way I can grab the best move. So that's just kind of my read on the stock. And I guess that's fine. Yeah, well, it's fine. I think that's good. Um, yeah, so tried it here again. No, fail. Tried it here again. Out flat. It held that level. Tried it here again, gap and go, and it got crushed on the flush. And that's pretty much it. So I lost all that I've made on this. Basically, yeah, look at this. So 100, lost everything, trying to make some back. Yeah, basically lost everything. Bad accuracy on it. ELPW. Oh yeah, ELPW was awful. So what is this? Out flat on this, on the dip. Didn't do it. Out a little lower. Bought here, gap and go. Out flat. Trying on the dip, 91, right under. Just trying this dip here. Yeah, I tried it here in the 87, but I got the worst fill out 78. And after that, yeah, this wasn't going to be the one for me. All right, so GMEX was good. GMEX was good. So tried it here 61 out 60, and I'm thinking, okay, this thing, it's holding though. In here at 61 out 64, and I'm thinking, okay, that's a lot better. It was holding 60, so got in there. In 61 again, as it was holding VWAP, was holding this gap area. Out flat. In again here, 5K size. I'm thinking, all right, this thing's gonna do it. I see the volume, I see the momentum. I know I start scaling out because I don't find the volume and the green that's gonna push it. So out kind of relatively flat. Then a little loss right here. Trying to do it one more time off 60s. Doesn't do it. I'm trying to work right here one more time. 63, 60. Looking for this to push 64 out, nothing. It just doesn't do it. I'm in at the high, so I gotta be careful. Buying right here the lows, and I lose 50. Oh, I lose 50 on it, I think. Yeah, that was pretty much the last trade I took. So I made 100 on it. Among all this that I've traded, I think I was up like 90 or 100, and then just like gave half of it back. The ENVB, this is the most rewarding one. 200 was right on its head right here. It was breaking, so then I was looking for a micro pullback. Got the micro pullback under, well, I wanted to get it under 7, but no, got it right at 7. Out 18 and 42. Nice $100 right there. And is that the only trade? Oh, wow, that's the only trade I took. So maybe I should have done that. Maybe I should have made my money here, here, SCNI also here, and then just be like, okay, that's it. That's it for me. 300 bucks. So be it. ELPW kind of sucked, honestly. Kind of sucked. All right. Anyways, so that's pretty much what is it going to look like. So let's hope next week we get more momentum, man. This week has been pretty dull. No action, slow moves. At least I'm keeping it tight. Today's high was 170 bucks. Yeah, not a lot. Not a lot going on. Anyway, hopefully we get to pick this up. We get to pick this up next week. You know, get that 2K profit. Let's do it. All right. Anyway, come over to Mr. Profit, create your account, try it for free, select your broker, add a files. You get to see your trades for the day. Just check it out. It's completely free. You'll get basically this view right here. Join us for $5 a month or 50 a year. Super the most affordable analytics platform out there. Super easy to use. Check out all our features. They're really awesome. And yeah, join our Discord. We're chatting it up. Awesome people there. So come meet us. Come message me if you need any help, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.